Yeah, it's good. Like it's good. I always been in Zimbabwe since I moved.
Zimbabwe, it
was really amazing being in America. You know what they call Las Vegas and you know all those kind of stuff.
So
no, it's not that like I can't speak Shona anymore. You know, I've been in America for about 3 months. You know, being in America, it's something that when you come back. It's not that I can't speak Shona, but there's some few words that I know, like words like Zuba, what's that? Like Suba Rabuda. Yeah, the thing which goes on top, it gives life to the yeah, there's sun. We call it sun there,
okay.
You know.
But what kind of Shiba? What does it?
Yeah, it's when you get to America, you get they brighten you when you get to the airport.
Is it bleaching?
No, it's not a bleach. They brighten you. They yeah.
All right. So when am I using?
Yeah, some couple of dollars.
All right. I don't know that 100 user is equivalent to 2 bond.
2 bond. What's bond? Who's bonding what?
No bond.
Like this is the man that you're using
equivalent to 100.
So it's equivalent to 100. 100 like $100 US from America. Okay, so what do you buy from? What can you buy from this kind of money?
Sorry, what?
Like what can you buy?
Like
you buy yeah. But buy as in like you know, you want something in the shop and you give them, they give them back.
Okay, I zvese zvinokwana pa 100. Zvawaingotenga kuside ukoko zvese kunongo zvinokwana.
But I miss something here in Zimbabwe. Do you have it? Like we used to eat it some like before I went to America.
Shawarma.
Actually. No, like you use hufu. What do you call it? Hufu.
Alright. Hufu.
Like you cook it using you cook it using hufu. You call it sadio.
What do you call it?
No, it's not that. But I miss. Give me the name again. You call it sadza. Yes. Sadza. You know, I've been in America for past 3 months. You know, it's an experience.
So my age gay?
We ate a lot of stuff. Yeah, we ate a lot of stuff. Could go for hot dogs. You know. Yeah, okay. Huge hot dogs.
McDonald's.
There's cocoa pork pies with a big pie inside.
Cocoa.
Yes. Yeah, there is a very, very huge pie inside American pork pies. You can even use the meat for the. You can even use the meat inside. You can still eat it with a sada, like the sada that you eat here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You can take those meat inside. You can still use it for sada because it's too big. Not really. Like that's the thing I wanna eat here when I get here. Like do you have like you use what you call it muringa, like muriwo? What do you call it?